you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. On this video I will be installing these butterfly locks that I got from a hair company on Amazon. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did these, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for the tutorial.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Okay, so they send 6 bags. I feel like I maybe might have needed 7. The way I parted and did my hair in the front is really full, but the back could use one more pack. So if you plan on putting your hair up, I would suggest you do straight backs. I did not do straight backs for me, just doing a zigzag method is much quicker. But if you do plan on putting it up, I do suggest that you do straight backs. And y'all already saw like the front of my braiding pattern. But at first, when I pulled this hair out the pack, I was like, no, real talk, I was like, but I think that is super cute. Let me show y'all what it looks like up close. Now these butterfly locks, they look a lot different than any butterfly locks that I've seen or that I'm used to. So I got this from a company on Amazon. I'll have all the information posted and linked in the description box if y'all are interested in checking it out. But this is the finished look. It is cute. I actually like it. They kind of look like twists, like from afar, or like when I'm looking in my mirror over here. But this is how long they come, just to my boobs. But this is cute. I like this. I really do like this. So that is it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.